we have another development with the Henry pneumatic hoover. Now, I was about to put it semi back together again while I wait for some bits for it and probably a new motor. I just noticed something. I actually thought I'd give that brush hair clean, so I took it out and cleaned it. That was absolutely fine. No problems there. Then I come onto this side to have a look at this side. And I didn't notice this before, but the wire has broken away from the soldering on the actual. So this is probably soldered that I did before, because I've used random brushes. Have I got a black nose for my carping hands? I think I have. Anyway, never mind. Just basically the cable's broken. It's fractured. Where it's like a little piece of copper ribbon, and whether it's vibration or whatever it might be, it seems to have broken free from the blob of solder. So I'm assuming that ain't going to help. So I've got my soldering iron over there. It's hot. Now, if I show you what has been going on, which I have shown in previous videos, but I'm going to show you so you can see for yourself. It might be better now. Now might actually have more luck with it now. I've actually been moving it about. It's sparking like crazy. But if you look here, there we go. Hold it down, just don't move. Now, I don't know if this is going to work, but I'll unplug that. That'd be a good idea. Let's see if it is a bad contact here. I might be wrong, so it might be a no-go. Let's grab some solder. Where's the other one? Get off the other solder. Not too fine. This one's quite a soft solder. I really want something different than that, but there you go. That is what I can see at the moment, so that's what we're going to use. So, we are going to have a go at try to solder that back on there. Right, 480 odd degrees on the soldering iron. And I'm going to have to try and tin the end a little bit, if it's possible, because it looks really grubby. Now, you wouldn't normally do this, but I'm just doing this for a bit of fun, really, to see whether or not it will do the job. Right, so I've tinned that very poorly. I'm not going to put it on a close-up camera because they just see how bad it is. And I'm going to just tin the end here again, make sure that that is. There we go. You can see that's melting the solder on there now. I'm going to bring that over onto that. I'm not going to try and make it look pretty. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, chameleon. You come and go. There we go. Right, now something to hold it into place. Also has a heat sink as well. Go. Hopefully that is made contact. Yeah, that's on. Yep, that's no longer moving about. Hopefully the I've unplugged, didn't I? Yeah. I'm just making sure that my brush can still move in and out, which it can. I'll try again, see if it's made a difference. If it hasn't, well then, I was right the first time round. But I thought, I saw that, I thought I'd give it a go and just record it while I do it, just for the hell of it. You know what it's like, don't you? Got to play. Yeah. Right. Has it solved the problem, or was it just the same? Right. That side's still sparking like billions. What's this side like? Now this side isn't bad. This side's really bad. It might be the brush. So let's unplug that again. Hopefully I don't get a belt from the capacitor, but the capacitor needs replacing. This is burnt out. So that's all right. So I'm going to try and pull this out here. Basically, it's basically bent round to encapsulate the actual brush in the holder. Now, normally what you do is you buy the whole thing and replace the whole thing, because you can buy it that way if you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pop the brush out and see whether or not the brush is long enough. It's a carbon brush, yeah? So it's effectively making contact with the brass armature on the armature. I'm just bending this out now. I wonder if you see better on the overhead camera. I can see it's definitely on one side here is the issue. Oh, God, it's warm. I've been soldering it. So this, it's not making proper contact. Yeah, it's not between that brush, armature, and the foil that goes round to the other, to the other side. So from that side to that side, it makes the connection on both sides of the armature, or com, and then you effectively not got a proper connection. So it's like sparking, but it's not like it's doing every now and then. It's doing it all the time. So I think it's something to do with this. Or the fact that the com is really badly worn, like I expressed in a previous video. See that? If you're wondering why I'm not just showing you how to do stuff, that's not what this channel's necessarily about. Although there will be stuff in there where you learn from it, and so will I. It's just an experiment, a learning experiment. You've got to be careful on doing this, because you can create metal fatigue, and they've done it too many times, and then you're going to have a bit of an issue, because that'll just break off, effectively. See, that one's a bit, oh, that's a bit short. So, there's a possibility that is not making good contact, because it is quite short. That would have been twice that length, originally. Yeah. Interesting. Have we got any up here? No. Not what I can see. No. No. I do have a load of brushes, so we'll have to go on a bit of a hunt. Look for some brushes later. But that is also, I don't know if you can see it, but if I bring it over here, can you see it's not square? So what's happened is, that's effectively, when it's inside this holder, right, because it's too short, that is not sitting, there's not enough surface area on the sides to hold that square with the com. So effectively it's been wearing the end of the brush at an angle and making it obviously wear much faster. So anyway, that's a little bit of experimentation with that. We can see there's definitely a problem with that brush. It needs replacing. It could just be the brushes and not the com, not the motor itself. Now, previous videos I said I was going to change the motor, and it might still come to that. But this is, yeah, an exploration. It is an exploration. So once I find some brushes for it, I will make another video installing these brushes in a Heath Robinson kind of way. So anyway, please leave the old like button. So, ideally, all right, it'd be a case of do as I say, not as I do, because ideally you just buy a complete new brush set or a new motor. All right, but if you get caught short, no, not for the toilet, no. If you get caught short and you've got nothing else, and you just, oh, hang on, those brushes might fit in there, this is another way of doing it. And that's how I did these ones. I replaced these brushes literally by soldering on the top here. So, anyway, toodaloo! Like I say, please boot the old like button.